right? I'm not a big Giants fan. I'm a Dolphins fan, so I didn't go with the last Super Bowl. I went with the one 2 years ago with the Green Bay Packers. And basically, 36% of Americans watch the Super Bowl. That's like almost 1 out of 3 people in the United States watch the Super Bowl. And if we take the amount of cars we're going to sell this year, what is it, 12 million new and about 6 to 7 million used cars, and we take that percentage of people that watch the Super Bowl and we divide it by the amount of cars we're going to sell, and we divide that amount by the amount of 12 months throughout the year, we're going to get that somebody that watches Super Bowl may buy a car from a dealership in your area about 0.17%. So you can see that the reach of the mecca of advertising, which is the Super Bowl advertising, only reaches at about 0.17% of somebody that's going to buy a car from a dealership in your area. So you can see that advertising could be sort of wasteful in a way. Now the other piece too is that if you are advertising on television, the average television spot only reaches about 1.5% of Americans. So you can see that even if I go with the Super Bowl, the amount of influence and how the reach is going to come from that advertisement is very, very small. So we compare that to the percentage of somebody typing in Chrysler 300 on Google, you can see that I'm going to optimize my budget to first influence online and then focus on radio, TV, and print. So now that we talked about influence, how do we align our budget? All right, this is probably the most important piece here. And Eliana, I wanted to go ask that first question that we had set out for, the budget question.
I think that's a great idea, audience. Hey, we love when you get interactive with us. So right now,